So, you've just thought about starting up a business. You have the most amazing product out there. But now what? A marketing budget, anyone? Well, if you don't have a marketing budget, you know about the world of social media kinda vaguely, stay with me on this one because I'm going to break it all down so you know a clear path to the next steps you can take to get your business out to the world. Hello and welcome back. Or if you're new here, lovely to meet you. My name's Marky. I'm a digital marketer, mother of two, whose first business failed miserably because I had no idea about this stuff. So please don't make the same mistakes that I did. Stay with me on this one. It's going to be some juicy information for you. Alright guys, I would love it if you could please like or comment on this video. Hit that subscribe button if you are starting out in your new business, or you have an inkling, or you have a business up and running but you love some social media tips. So please hit that subscribe button. Alright, without further ado, let's get into the content for today. I'm going to share with you 5 things that you need to know about what to do next for the next steps in your business. So you might be thinking firstly, why social media? Why waste time on social media? You've got other stuff to deal with as a small business owner. You need to make your products, you need to package your products, you need to research insurance, etc. Why about social media? Well, it is the best channel to getting to talk to your particular ideal customers, your potential customers, getting your brand awareness out there, and the best thing of all, it's free. But it takes time that you don't have. So you need to work out a very clear path strategy in order to achieve your goals without wasting time. Alright, let's get stuck into the first one. You need to develop a mindset. So your mindset needs to be fun-loving. Social media is a way for you to show your brand's enthusiasm and get it out there to the world. So you need to have a very fun, energetic way of going about things if that is your brand image you want to portray. Now, if it's not, of course, stick with your brand image. But you need to have the mindset of go with it. Go with the flow, have fun. Now, every platform has its own little vibe. So what I would like you to do is, if you're not too sure which one to start out on, as in being Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, there's numerous other new ones starting up, have a go, flick through them, go through the explore pages on them and work out what suits your brand the best and stick with only one. Now, other people out there say you need to be everywhere. Well, true, you do. But as a small business owner, and it's one-man show or one-lady show, you only have the time to pick one. So please, only pick one and stick with it and be really, really good at it. Social media, you need to get into the mindset that it's a really wonderful way that you can interact with your potential customers. You can answer their questions, you can find out what they like and what they don't like about your product and change accordingly. Alright, the next thing we'll be talking about is goals. Now, you don't just post on social media willy-nilly. You need to have a strategic plan, and when you're starting out you need to work out what is your goals. Do you just want likes and followers on that particular social media account? Do you want sales? Do you want comments and research? Do you want likes? You need to work out what it is that you are after so you can work towards those goals and see achievement, because without goals and measurable success in that particular category that you're going for, you don't know if it's working or not. Now, you're not going to get sales from social media straight away, and there's going to be lots of people out there that tell you it's an overnight success. Well, look, the hard truth is it's not. It takes a lot of time. You need to build that brand presence and you need to be out there consistently. Now, work out what your goal is so then you can measure that particular goal. Tip number 3, you need to know your audience. Now, that might seem really, really obvious, and you might go, okay, well, that's fantastic. My audience is ladies in their 30s who've just had a kid. Well, that's great, but you need to narrow that down. And here's where it gets really, really interesting. You need to work out, are they career ladies? Have they always been stay-at-home mums and parents and loving that sort of lifestyle? What are their hobbies? What are their dreams? What are their aspirations? And you need to be able to hone in on this so you can directly put your posts and your stories and your reels and your videos to their liking, so then you can engage with them and they will feel more at ease and your brand will be more trustworthy. So really nut down on exactly who your particular customer is. Alright, number 4. Social media takes a while. I've already brushed up on this one, but it is in it for the long game. Please stick with it and you will see results, I promise you. you will find there are a lot of people there going, it's an overnight success. Like I mentioned, it's not. You need to be consistent, and now consistent might mean posting once or twice a week. So consistent for you might be posting once or twice a day. Now what you need to do is find the system that works for you. There is no point going all at it for 1, 2, maybe 3 weeks and then going, I don't see results and it's not sustainable. You're going to find you're in burnout mode. You need to work out what is going to be a really, really good consistency, manageable for you and your one-man show, one-lady show in your particular business. Now in the comments below, in the description below I should say, I have a link to some wonderful resources. I'd like you to check them out. I also just started up a brand new Instagram account. If you would like to see one being built right from the start, jump on over to Margie Sarah Social on Instagram and you'll be able to find out exactly what I do when I do it in order to grow my account. Now you might be going, okay, that's a bit strange because that might skew my information. Well, don't worry, if you get on my email list, I will go through exact steps and in community engagement and all that fine detail in what I do every week. I'd love to see you over there and you can watch an account grow. Alright, last but not least is community engagement. This is the part all about social media. Not sure what that one. Anyway, that's the part about social media that makes social media so fantastic. It goes above and beyond TV advertising, a billboard signage, because billboards, they don't talk back to you, do you? So social media is amazing because you can get instant results in the way of communication with your particular customers. So go out there, engage with your people, your audience, talk to them, see what they're after. They'll in turn talk to you, and then that trust starts happening, so then eventually they will become loyal and loving customers. Now if you like those 5 tips that I shared with you today, please once again subscribe to my channel. I go through all sorts of things, small business, startup business related, and social media. As I said, I'm a digital marketer, so I'd love for you to join me on my channel that's dedicated to you guys growing your business, making a success and living the life that you want to on your terms. So guys, check out my other videos and I'll see you in the next one.